In this video, we're going to learn how to use Threads application from Instagram using iPhone. To use the Threads application from Instagram on iPhone, first, make sure that you've downloaded the Threads app. Go and open your App Store, and then first, go ahead and download Threads application for Instagram. Type in Threads in the search box and search. Once you find the application in the search result, tap the Get button to begin the download process. Wait until the application gets downloaded. Instagram Threads is a dedicated messaging application for Instagram. It is designed to be used by your closest friends for sharing text, photos, and videos. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap the Open button to open the app on your iPhone. Now, you'll need to log in using your Instagram account. Tap on the Login with Instagram button at the bottom of the screen and sign in using your Instagram account. To build up your Threads profile, you can import your details from Instagram. To do so, tap on Import from Instagram. If you don't want to do this right now, tap Skip at the top right. Once you tap on the button, it'll take information from your Instagram profile, your name, your profile picture, and your bio. Now, tap the Next button at the bottom. Select the privacy preference from the options. If you want your account to be public, select the first option. If you want to make your profile private, so that only your approved followers can see and interact with your content, select the second option and tap Next. Now, here are some accounts that you follow on Instagram. You can tap on the Follow button right next to the account and then tap the Next button at the top right. Now tap the Join Threads button on the next page. Allow notification alerts if you want to receive notifications from Threads. If not, tap on Don't Allow. Now you can post your first thread by tapping on the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen and start a new thread. Here, you can share your ideas in any format that you prefer. The maximum text limit is 500 characters, and the maximum duration for the video that you want to post is 5 minutes. Here, you can go ahead and type in a text directly in this text box. Meanwhile, you can tap on the pin icon right under it to attach a video or GIF of your preference. Go ahead and allow access to all of the photos on your device or select some of the photos by choosing the first option. From your device's library, go ahead and select the picture or your video and then tap on Add at the top right. You can now decide who can engage with your thread. Simply tap on Anyone Can Reply at the bottom left and then change it to the way you prefer. If you select Anyone, your threads are open for everybody on the platform. If you select Profiles You Follow, individuals you follow back will be able to get access to your content. If you select Mentioned Only, the only people that you've tagged in the threads will be able to see your video or photo. After you are ready, tap on the Post button at the bottom right, and that is it. Your thread is now live. Now that you've posted a thread, you can also share your threads in Instagram stories. Right under your thread, tap on the share icon. Now select Add to Story and you'll be redirected to Instagram Stories section. Tap on the Your Story button at the bottom left in order to conclude the process. Now that is how you can easily use the Threads application from Instagram using iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorial videos again. Thanks for watching.